Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? Hope you had a nice weekend. What we have here is really a unique bird. It's a 37-inch Wonder Bread tin sign. It was designed to hang, but the previous collector had put a backing on it so it can sit up in this position here. Have to love it. Builds a strong body. Now we know better that it builds a tire around your waist. That's about it. So if you are into some vintage, and this thing is in beautiful, almost mint condition. You take a look, just a few surface scratches up here. It's got a slight pop out to it. Again, 37 inches. And let me wheel it around here so you can see what the collector had done. And he basically put a freestanding so it can sit up on a counter like that. Otherwise, it's got its chain. Otherwise, it can go on your wall. So if you are into Wonder Bread for any reason or into vintage signs, this is definitely for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent, in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.